Good afternoon. So my project today is on a course to share knowledge to the students on Mexican American issues that are faced in education and in history. So taking a look at the history part of it, Hispanic Hispanic history is not really taught in many schools, and so overall that becomes an issue because then students don't know Hispanic students then don't know their own history. The course should be available to all students to enroll in and learn more about their heritage and their culture. And this course should go over transformation of heritage to the colonial days and the emergence of new ideals. This is important to know the understanding and distinction between what is taught and what is true. Going on to the Going on to the next slide of culture and identity. So we see here the how important it is to have a course on history and then also understanding the culture, the identity that goes with it. So understanding the culture and identity of Mexican Americans goes a long way to understand the disadvantages that are faced along the academic world. These disadvantages can include things such as not having English as the primary language spoken at home. So this again can cause issues at school with it's not their first language. We also see here that creating a more Hispanic representation space has shown has shown a great success to the students, and so they should represent more across the board with teachers, with the faculty, with staff, and on board members as well. Of education, we can see here just how it reflects in the academic world. So it's been shown that a development pattern between white Hispanics math and reading skills compared to non-Hispanic white students in the studies has revealed that Hispanic students enter grade school with a much lower average than others, and this is because, again, English is not the primary language spoken within the household. So again, this causes issues at school. And that concludes my report on the Mexican American toolkit.